Dear students, welcome you all for the online classes. In the last class, we have discussed about some of the adjoint formation when the given matrix is given. But in case of the today's class, we will discuss one of the theorem, that is A into adjoint of A, which is nothing but adjoint of A into A, which is nothing but determinant of A into I, with the help of suitable example. I will write the property here. First you write verify A into adjoint of capital A, which is nothing but adjoint of A into capital A, which is nothing but determinant of A into I. Correct? Question number 1. A is equal to 1 3 1 minus 1 0 0 2 minus 2 3 2 minus 2 3. Now solution. Determinant of A is nothing but 1 3 1 minus 1 0 0 2 minus 2 3. Correct? Then what you have to find out? Determinant of A, which is nothing but position is plus 1 into, correct? 1 into 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 0 3. Position is minus of minus 1. Values are nothing but 3 minus 2 3 minus 2 1 3 3 minus 2 1 3. After that plus 2 into 3 0 1 0 3 0 1 0 3 0 1 0. What are the values? 1 3 into 0 0 minus 0 minus of minus plus 1 into 9 plus 2 plus 2 into 0 minus 0, which is nothing but 9 plus 2 is 11, which is nothing but 11. Then now adjoint of capital A. Before that, our job is to find cofactor of A, that is that but cofactor of 1, which is nothing but A11. What are the values? Plus, we have to eliminate this value, this row and this column. 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, 0 3, which is nothing but 0 minus 0, which is nothing but 0. Cofactor of minus 1, A1 2, which is nothing but position is minus. This value is 3 minus 2, 1 3, 3 minus 2, 1 3. What are the values? Minus 9 plus 2, which is nothing but minus 11. Nothing but minus 11. After that, cofactor of 2, which is nothing but A1 3, position is plus. Values are nothing but 3 0 1 0, which is nothing but plus into 0 minus 0, which is nothing but 0. Nothing but 0. After that, cofactor of 3, which is nothing but A21, position is minus. This value get close. Minus 1 to 0 3, minus 1 to 0 3, which is equals to minus 3 0, which is nothing but plus 3, which is nothing but plus 3. After that, A22, cofactor of 0, which is nothing but A22, position is minus plus position. Values are nothing but this value close. 1 and 2 1 3, 1 and 2 1 3, which is nothing but plus of 3 minus 2, which is nothing but 1. 3 minus 2, that is nothing but 1. After that, cofactor of minus 2, A23, position is plus minus position. Values are nothing but 1 minus 1 1 0, 1 minus 1 1 0, which is equal to minus 0 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1. 1 into 0 0 minus of minus, that is plus 1 minus 1. Correct? After that what? After that what? A31, correct? Therefore, cofactor of 1, which is nothing but A31, position is plus. Minus 1 to 0 minus 2, which is equal to 2 minus 0, which is nothing but 2. After that, cofactor of 0, a32, position is minus. Values are nothing but 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, which is minus. Minus 2 minus 6, which is nothing but 8. Minus of minus, that is 8. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, minus of minus plus 8. Cofactor of 3, which is nothing but a33, position is plus minus plus. Plus, values are 1 minus 1, 3 0, which is nothing but 0. Minus of minus plus, which is nothing but 3. 1 into 0 0, minus of minus plus 3 0. Therefore, cofactor of capital A. Therefore, cofactor of capital A is equal to, cofactor of capital A is equal to, what are the values? Values are nothing but 0, 0 minus 11 0, 3 1 minus 1, 3 1 minus 1, 3 1 minus 1, 2 8 3, 2 8 3, 2 8 3, which is nothing but our cofactor matrix. Then what is the adjoint? The adjoint is nothing but transpose of the cofactor matrix. Therefore, what is adjoint of capital A? Therefore, what is the adjoint of capital A? Therefore, adjoint of capital A is equal to cofactor of capital A their dash, which is nothing but, what are the values? 0 3 2, 0 3 2, minus 11 1 8, 0 minus 1 3 dash, which is equals to 0 3 2, 0 3 2, minus 11 1 8, 0 minus 1 3, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 3. Now A into adjoint of A, A into adjoint of A, which is equals to, what is the value of A? 1 3 1, minus 1 0 0, 2 minus 2 3, into adjoint of capital A, 0 minus 11 0, 3 1 minus 1, 2 8 3. What are the values? Which are nothing but, which is nothing but 1 into 0, that is 0, minus of minus, that is plus 11, 2 into 0, that is 0. After that, 1 into 3, that is 3, minus of minus 1, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, 1 into 2 is, that is 2, minus 1 minus 8, 2 into 3, that is 6. After that, 3 into 0 0, 0 0, 3 into 3, that is 9, 0 into 1, that is 0, minus 2 minus of minus plus 2, 3 into 2, that is 6, 0 into 0 0, minus 2 minus 6, 1 into 0 0, plus 0 plus 0, 1 into 3, that is 3, 0 into 1, that is 0, minus 3, 1 into 2, that is 2, 0 plus 9, which is equals to 0 11, sorry 11 0 0, 11 0 0, 0 11 0, 0 0 11, 0 0 11. A into adjoint of A into adjoint of capital A, which implies A into adjoint of capital A, which is nothing but 11 keep outside, and what happens? 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1, which is nothing but 11 into the value of I, 11 into value of I. After that, 11 into I, call it as equation number 1. Call it equation number 1. Next, adjoint of A into A, adjoint of A into A, adjoint of A into A, then it reverses, correct? Adjoint of A into A. Now adjoint of A into now adjoint of capital A into A, which is nothing but adjoint of capital A, which is nothing but 0 minus 11 0, 3 1 minus 1, 3 1 minus 1, 2 8 3, 2 8 3 into A. A is nothing but what? 1 3 1, minus 1 0 0, minus 1 0 0, 2 minus 2 3, 2 minus 2 3, 2 minus 2 3, which is nothing but 0 into 1 is 0, plus 9 plus 2, 0 into minus 1 0, 3 into 0 0 plus 0, 0 minus 6 plus 6, 11 into minus 11 plus 3 plus 8, minus 4 minus plus 11 plus 0 plus 0, minus 22, 11 into 2 minus 2 plus 24, correct? After 0 into 1 0, minus 3 plus 3, 0 0 0 plus 0, 0 minus 1 minus plus 3, 9. This is nothing but what? It is nothing but 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. The call, which is nothing but 11 you take as common, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Call the equation number 2. Correct? Adjoint of E into E. Adjoint of E into E. Now from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, A into adjoint of E, adjoint of E is equal to adjoint of E into E. But determinant of A, determinant of E is equal to 11 into, sorry, which is nothing but 11 into I, which is nothing but, which implies A into determinant adjoint of A, which is equal to adjoint of A into A, which is nothing but determinant of A into I, determinant of A into I. 11 is nothing but determinant of A, because determinant of A is equal to, because determinant of A is equal to what? 11. Determinant of A is equal to 11. I think this is the problem we can solve with the help of some of the theorem. That is A into adjoint of A is nothing but adjoint of A into A, which is nothing but determinant of A into I. Next is singular matrix. Singular matrix. Definition of singular matrix. Singular matrix next is definition, that is singular matrix. A square matrix capital A is said to be singular, is said to be singular matrix if determinant of A is equal to 0. A square matrix capital A is said to be singular matrix if determinant of A is equal to 0. For example, A is equal to 1 2 2 4, 1 2 2 4. Then determinant of A is equal to determinant of 1 2 2 4, which is nothing but 4 minus 4, which is nothing but 0. Correct? That is determinant of A is equal to 0, which implies A is singular. A is singular matrix. A is singular matrix. If determinant of A 1 2 2 4, 1 2 2 4, 4 into 1 4, 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. A square matrix capital A is said to be singular matrix if determinant of A is equal to 0. That is A is singular matrix. Then non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Correct? A square matrix capital A is said to be non-singular matrix if determinant of A not equals to 0. A square matrix capital A is said to be non-singular matrix if determinant of A not equals to 0. That is, for example, A is equal to 1 2 3 4. Then determinant of capital A is 1324, which is nothing but 4 minus 6 minus 2, which is not equals to 0. Therefore A is non-singular. A is non-singular matrix. Dear students, those two definitions are very important for 1 mark category. Define singular matrix. What you have to write? A square matrix capital A is said to be singular matrix if determinant of A is equal to 0. What are the examples? This type of the construction of singular matrices is in your hand. How many singular matrices are there in the universe? There are infinitely many singular matrices are there, but construction is in our hand. What is non-singular? A square matrix capital A is said to be non-singular matrix if determinant of A not equals to 0. This is the minus 2 not equals to 0. Therefore, the given matrix is non-singular. Then, just to find out one problem, that is singularity based on singular matrix definition. Based on singular matrix definition. I will write one of the question. Example: if 3 1 minus 2 minus 4 2 1 7x 3 is singular, find x. Solution: let A is equal to 3 1 minus 2 minus 4 2 1 7x 3. Since A is singular, so determinant of A is equal to 0. Correct? Which implies determinant of 3 1 minus 2 minus 4 2 1 7x 3, which is equals to 0. Which implies 3 into 6 minus x minus or minus plus 4. This value get close. 3 plus 2x plus 7 into 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 0. Which implies 18 minus 3x plus 12 plus 8x plus 35, which is equal to 0. Which implies what are the values? 8 minus 3 is 5x plus 35 plus 10 45, 45 plus 7 45 plus 2 47, 47 plus 10 57 plus 8 65, which is equal to 0. Which implies 5x is equal to minus 65, which implies x is equal to minus 30. X is equal to minus 30 is the value of x. If you put the value of x is equal to minus 30 in the determinant, if you take the determinant value, then that value is nothing but 0. Then the matrix is singular. Just to take theorem number 2 and 3, which are theorems, there will be no proofs. The theorems without proofs. Just to take the statement of the theorem. Theorem number 2. First theorem is adjoint of A into adjoint of A, which is nothing but theorem number 2. Theorem 1, what it says? A into adjoint of A, which is equal to adjoint of A into A, which is nothing but determinant of A into I. Determinant of A into I. But theorem number 2, just to write down, theorem number 2, if capital A and capital B are non-singular matrices of the same order, then AB and BA are also non-singular matrices non-singular matrices of the same order of the same order after that theorem number 3, the determinant of the product of matrices is equal to product of their respective determinants. That is determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B, where A and B are square matrices of the same order. These are the two theorems. The only statement you have that is in your syllabus, but proof is not so necessary. But we can prove with the help of one of the property, that is determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into B. But actual properties of determinant get deleted in your this year's syllabus. That's why we can prove with the help of some matrices which are square matrices. And theorem number 2, which is very important. The statement is very important, but this theorem defends many problems. I think just to work out the theorems, take the conclusion with the help of some important questions. Thank you. In the next class, we will see more problems on the same topic, that is determinants. Thank you.